Okay, recording.
Huh?
Tell me everything about your engine.
Oh, the engine?
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to talk?
Oh yeah.
1192 cc's, 90 horsepower at 6,800 RPM. This is a stage 2 engine. Coventry Climax. Started out life as a water pump engine for a fire department.
And what does the car weigh?
1,250 pounds.
So it is in fact quite.
Huh?
It's in fact a high performance car.
Oh, not by today's standards. It's about like a Toyota Corolla.
Should be interesting to see if. Where's the air cleaner?
They're in the trunk. I took them off to lean it out a little. I'm driving around just to see how it feels. It nailed.